web
It
series.
is. It's absolutely different from anything I've ever done. You'll see me with Kritika mostly. I didn't get a chance to share any screen space with Dimple G, who's my favorite. I just don't like sharing my political opinion because sometimes you just get trolled for saying the right or the wrong thing. Suddenly, I hear this person screaming, "Hey, we've worked together. You were in Kala Kandi with me." And I was like, "Oh, you remember?"
Hi, Amira. Welcome to Eastern Eye.
Thank you, Murtaza. How are you, Baba?
I'm good. How are you?
All good, all good. Ready to get started with the year.
Starting the year with a lot of Tanda, I would say.
Starting the year with Tanda for sure.
So, Amira, in the trailer, we get a small glimpse of yours. I would like to know what exactly character you play because that small glimpse also makes us, intrigued on what is Amira doing this time because it looks different from what Amira has done earlier. So, tell us something about your character in the web series.
It is. It's absolutely different from anything I've ever done. As you can see, the character is completely distressed. She is going through something really hardcore and she's got a very dark past. So this dark past sort of catches up to her and it sort of causes a chain reaction for some of the other characters. And I think that's the beauty of Ada. And I'm so glad that they have kept it hidden in this way because I mean, it's a surprise. Ultimately, you always have that slight trump card, and Ada is definitely going to be that. So you're going to have to wait and really see why she has been taken away like this, why she's so distressed, and what is happening because it's a wild ride.
So, the series is like a multi-starrer. There's Saif, there's Dimple Ma'am, there's Gohar, there's Mohammad Zishan, a lot of actors. So with actors, which actors you will get to share a screen space in, and how was the experience of working with them? Tell us that.
You'll see me with Kritika mostly. I didn't get a chance to share any screen space with Dimple G, who's my favorite. But hopefully soon. And working with Kritika was an absolute blast. We've got an amazing chemistry on screen, and you'll be able to see that. She's a very good friend of mine. And she's somebody who took me around Delhi after the shots because she's actually stayed there for a bit. And we went shopping. We went to these little gullies where we found all these cute little knickknacks, and we went and we had the best street food ever. So she's really taken me around Delhi.
Right. So how was this experience of collaborating with a director like Ali Abbas Zafar? He has proved his mettle as a filmmaker, with Sultan or Bharat. How was it to team up with him for this web series?
It was absolutely amazing. He is so talented, and I was actually very nervous because I didn't. This was the first role that they didn't ask me to audition for, and like I said, it was a complete polar opposite of who I am as a person. So I remember meeting him in his office, and I was like, "Listen, are you sure I can audition? I want to audition because I don't want to reach set and then have you be like, "Arey, galat faisla liya maine." So he said, "I know you can do it," and when your director is confident in you, then it's a whole different ball game. So having Ali's confidence really helped me become Ada and say yes to such a big project like this.
So, Amira, this Tanda revolves around politics. I would like to know how much Amira is interested into politics. Do you always keep an eye what's happening in the political zone in the country? How much are you interested into politics?
No, I'm very into politics. I just don't like sharing my political opinion because sometimes you just get trolled for saying the right or the wrong thing. But I am somebody who stays up to date with what's going on in my country, and I really, really appeal to other people to do the same because at the end of the day, as somebody who is young, you need to know what your future is going to be. You need to know how your future is being planned out. So I genuinely do appeal to the youth of India and say, listen, guys, you should start reading a little more of the newspaper and a little less of the sports pages.
Right. So I think I don't know if you have any scenes with Saif or not, but if we talk about Saif, this would be the second collaboration. If you have any scene, there was Kala Kandi earlier, which you guys did. So how has been with him? I don't know. Do you have any scenes with Saif in the series?
I didn't in this series, and I remember we were sitting on the table for our reading, and I thought he would have forgotten that we've done Kala Kandi together. because I'm sure he's worked with so many people. So I'm like, why would he remember me? So I didn't say anything, and I, chup chap say, I just sat down like this little school kid with my pen and my script, and then suddenly I hear this person screaming, "Hey, we've worked together. You were in Kala Kandi with me." And I was like, "Oh, you remembered?" And that was like such a fan moment for me for that second, and it was just so sweet. And that just shows you the kind of person he is. That he's just really, really nice, and it was really nice of him to say that, and in front of everyone, which was a little like, oh Lord, but still.
Right. So, in 2020, we have come to know the power of OTT. We have seen some amazing web series, even movies that have got a direct to digital release. But I would like to know that as an actor, Ameira, what do you enjoy? I mean, are you like bit of person who likes to, see him or herself back on the big screen, or you like to watch yourself on the OTT platform? What does Ameira
I
prefer?
don't like to watch myself at all. I'd rather just just. But now I'm so glad it's on OTT, because then I can just watch myself alone without people like around you, because it's very like stressful. But yeah, I'm really glad that OTT has come in, because I feel like it's given theaters a lot of competition, and I feel like it's also caused a lot of directors and writers to up their game. So at the end of the day, if you've got good content, it's going to work. Otherwise, it's just not going to work. And I feel like that way it causes you to choose good actors. And it's actually opened this sort of doorway for a lot of actors who probably didn't get their due, and they're getting it right now. And I think that's the most beautiful thing that OTT has done for our industry.
So what's happening next after Tandav? Where do we see Ameira after Tandav comes on 15 Jan, sorry. 15
Jan,
yes.
dude. 15th Jan. Don't forget the date.
No, I won't.
You'll see me in another Amazon series called Dongri to Dubai. You will be seeing me in a Tamil film opposite Prabhu Deva Master, and you will be hearing a couple of announcements very soon as well. But for now, it's only Tandav. Tandav 2021.
Right. It was amazing chatting with you, Ameira. As
Thank
usual,
you so much.
We have chatted a lot in the past as well, and I think it was amazing.
Thank you so much. It was lovely.
Thank you so much for being with us, and all the best for Tandav.